surprised by why you get side effects from SSRIs, I'm here to explain it for you. I'm Dr. M. I'm a Harvard and Oxford trained neuroscientist, and SSRIs stand for selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, which essentially means that they increase the level of serotonin in your brain, but also the rest of your body. Because when you take an SSRI, you take a pill. And so how does the pill reach your brain? You literally take it in your mouth, it goes down your esophagus, it goes into your stomach, and then finally it gets distributed through the blood to the rest of your body. So in order to get some very small percentage, we believe it's only around 2% of the SSRI into your brain, you will be needing to flood your entire body with the medication. And so if 98% of the drug goes to different places in your body and only 2% ends up in the brain, just think of the amount of selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors that are flooding your entire body. And the reason it matters is that we usually speak of serotonin as something that exists just in the brain. However, there's actually 90% of our body's serotonin receptors are in the gut lining. And that's why most of the common side effects of SSRIs, such as diarrhea, nausea, are literally related to the gastric performance and related to our gut mechanism. And that's why the gut-brain axis is also so important. And that's also why a lot of people experience weight gain related to SSRI consumption, because if only 2% of the drug ends up in your brain and 98% of it ends up in the body, where most of the serotonin receptors are, that's why, of course, most of the effects you'll be experiencing are those side effects, and why for most people to get the benefit they need at the brain level, they would need to pretty much nuke their entire bodies with a serotonin flood that ends up impacting the rest of our body so much. And that's why I'm such a big proponent of brain stimulation that is able to act on the brain directly.